host Kashif back again today with a new app. As I have been receiving lots of requests, people are asking me how to use your cell phone as a webcam. So it's a pretty easy thing to do without any further ado. Let's get it on. ओके जनाब, आप अपने सेल फ़ोन को, स्मार्ट सेल फ़ोन को कैसे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं एज अ वेब कैम। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा, बड़ा आसान तरीका है। يا جماعة كيف يمديك تستخدم جوالك مع الكمبيوتر as a webcam. بعلمكم اليوم، خليكم معنا. هي تحميل برنامج صغير وهلا هلا. خليكم معنا يا شباب. Alright guys, open up the Google, write down Droidcam, open up the second option, which is Windows Dev 47 app, Droidcam client 6.3.1 version for Windows 10 64-bit or Windows 7 832 or 64-bit. So click download. Automatically it will gonna start downloading. So when it's done, I have already downloaded it, so when it's done, just run it and your app will come over here. Alright, it is going to show you the IP, device IP and the Droidcam port, so audio and video both. Before clicking the start, make sure on your cell phone you have the same app. Download it from the Play Store. Alright, where is it? Where is my one? Yeah, it's over here. So click this one up. Make sure your cell phone and your computer, desktop is or laptop, whatever, is connected on the same Wi-Fi connection. So now you can see the app. No matter how many cell phones you have, doesn't matter. Just every cell phone will gonna have their own Wi-Fi IP. So my one is 109 in the end. So I'll just gonna put 109. So it's showing 109 already. You got three options over here. You can use it with the Wi-Fi, you can use it with cable, and you got the Smart Connect. So I'm going to use it with the Wi-Fi. And the good thing about it is you can use with the Zoom, with Skype, with anything. It's gonna be very easy for you guys, and for those YouTubers who wanna stream live, it's a pretty easy thing. As you know, the mobile phones are having better cameras than the webcam. So let's get it on. Here we go. I'm getting the view now. There we go. I'm sitting with my son here. He's doing something on this computer. Anyhow, okay, you have the option for rotations, or you can rotate your cell phone, one of those two. So if you buy the Pro version is even better, like you get all the options with clicks. Otherwise, if you open up any other app, you can use it like easily. Like I'm going to use right now OBS Studio, where I'm doing my editing or anything. Oh. All right, see, capturing device, you can change it always. If you have your own cell phone, like another camera, you can use a capture device, you can change it. So it comes with a C, with my other options are there. So we're gonna keep it on 3. The good thing is simultaneously you can use 2 apps for the same webcam simultaneously. It's pretty easy though. So this is how you are going to use your mobile phone as a webcam. Alright guys, I hope it's pretty easy for you guys. So if not, send your comments down below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Guys, make sure to subscribe, like, press the bell icon so you can get all the updates in the near future. And till then, ciao. And I would really love if you guys can put any comments below as well. Alright guys, that's it. It's a simple and easiest video I have ever loaded. hopefully you guys are going to like this one. All right, take care.